Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can reject an incoming call directly from the lock screen. So if you are receiving an incoming call on the lock screen, you can see there is no reject button. There is only a slide to answer button right here. So to reject an incoming call on the iPhone 13 series, what you have to do is press on this side button 2 times. So the first times that you press it, it will silence the call, and then if you press on it again, it will reject the call. So let's try it again. So you can see here, if I press on it once, it will silence the call, and if I press on it again, it will simply reject the call. So press once and then press twice. Welcome to the voicemail. And the call gets rejected, and that's it. And that's how you can deny a call or reject a call on your iPhone 13 or the 13 Pro. Now you can see here, while I'm inside my phone, while I'm on the home screen, if I receive an incoming call, there is an answer button and a reject button. Whereas on the lock screen, it's different. On the lock screen, there's only a slide to answer. There is no reject button. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.